Hello everyone, it's Lucifer here and welcome to another video in this tutorial series on Godot 4. In this video, we will learn how to export your Godot game on Windows. For this video, you will need a computer that is running on Windows. You could export on a macOS or Linux device if you set up a virtual machine and install Windows. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to define your main scene in your game, if you haven't done so. This is the scene you want to run as soon as the executable file runs. The easiest way is to navigate to your desired scene, double-click, and then just press F5. Now you will have this pop-up message and you're going to select the current scene as the main scene, and this will execute your game. Now, all we need to do now is to download the export templates. You can think of export templates as a set of instructions that the engine needs to compile your game on the desired platform. To download them, we are just going to go to the editor and just click Manage Export Templates. Then just make sure that the best available mirror option is selected, and then just click Download and Install. This might take a couple of minutes, but that's all we need. Now that the templates have been downloaded and installed, let's export our project. On the navbar, click on Project and then click on Export. Then, on the top, we are going to press the Add button and select the Windows Desktop option. You will see a yellow warning at the bottom. This is just letting us know that we haven't set up an icon for our game, so we will use the default Godot icon for it. In terms of settings, we will take the Embed PCK option. This will cause our export to be a single file. Other settings that you might want to change are the company name and product name. I am just going to quickly change them here. Now we can just click on the Export Project button. In this screen, we can change the name of our file before it's created and where the file will be created. Make sure to untick the Export with Debug option, unless obviously you are going to debug something. It should have completed with some warnings. Again, these are just related to the icon. Let's just click OK. And now you can go to your selected location and test your game. And as you can see, we have our game running. Thanks for watching. I hope you have found the video helpful. Remember to subscribe and set notifications on so you are the first to know when the next video is available. Bye!